The other big story we're tracking, the case against the Pune teen who killed two people early on Sunday while drunk and driving his father's 2.5 crore Porsche supercar. Now, this story has taken an additional twist. The police are now investigating potential lapses in protocol in the hours following the incident, including possible preferential treatment for the 17-year-old who is the son of a prominent city builder. Now, specifically, a senior cop, Assistant Commissioner of Police Ashwini Rakh, he will question officers and staff at the police station in Yerwada, where the complaint was first filed. The allegations, by the way, include underplaying the horrific nature of the incident in the first write-ups and delaying a medical examination, which should have been done immediately to establish the boy's blood alcohol level. Meanwhile, an opposition politician has said the boy was handled cautiously and even given food, pizzas and burgers to be precise, while in police custody as an accused in a stomach-churning road accident. In fact, the accused grandfather has been called for questioning today. Why has the accused grandfather been called for questioning? Because an additional plot twist in the matter was the fact that suddenly the family claimed that a driver was driving the Porsche supercar. Paras Dama has further details for us. Listen in.
Yesterday, the grandfather of the accused was called by the crime branch officials for the inquiry, and 7 hours of inquiry. After that, the grandfather was allowed to go home. Today also, grandfather has been called by the crime branch officials for the investigation. With that, the driver of the Porsche car will be also called for the investigation. Yesterday, both was investigated, both was called. There were so many questions which was asked to both of them about the family members and the thing which has happened on Saturday, the unfortunate incident which happened on Saturday. There were many questions, and today also the crime branch has called the driver of Porsche car and the grandfather of the 17-year-old minor. So if we speak about the father's remand, so today crime branch will go to district court. The remand of 17-year-old minor's father will be over today. The 48 hours remand was granted by the respected district court of Pune, and today the remand is getting over. So Pune crime branch will try to shout another 2 days because the investigation is very much needed into this entire case. There were many flaws which has came out in the investigation, like the 17-year-old minor father tried to destroy clue, tried to escape, tried to throw his phone out. So another phone was used during the entire escape plan. So original phone has also been found by the Pune crime branch. They want to more investigate what type of transaction he has made in past few months, and there are many things which has to be come out. So Pune crime branch will try to shout out for more 2 days of his father custody today. By 3 o'clock he will be produced in this district court.